Now you need to click on the execute button. So found that on the top of the screen, this like a clock. Click on that. They will display the information for that sales, and this is the billing information like net value and payer and billing date, all type of information. Just check them all right. Next step, just click on the save. The billing document number will be displayed. So let's go back to this and click on save. Now on bottom of the screen, document number has been saved. So this is our billing document number. I'll copy that and paste to your PDF file. So this customer invoice is just this document number, okay? And go back. Now let's check the order status again. Go to the A23, click on that, and go to environment and display document flow. Now something added, and the invoice completed. Accounting document not cleared, meaning that you haven't received the payment from the customer, but you did send the invoice. So as it says over here, in the real world, you would be mailing this invoice to a customer or send them by email, by fax, whatever means you choose. But you have sent this invoice to a customer, but you haven't received the payment. So what is the invoice status is completed, and about the inventories for this thing, we have already shipped them, right? So it should be the same it should be same as the previous one. But now let's check on the bike's balance at this time. Go to accounting, financial accounting, account receivable, account display balances. Double click on that. Customer is the same, and click on execute. Now you see it's not the no data read type of window appears, but you will see the balance. So once there's data, you'll see this. And look at the debit balance. This is the debit balance, right? The total balance is, for me over here is 1,500. You guys will be different because I only sold elbow pants. You sold 5 items. So enter the information over there, and the last step is to receive the payment. You receive a check or the wire transfer or other means of transaction. So, and now you have this payment, and you need to post this payment into your system. Okay, that's the last step. Go back. So there's some common issues. You probably need to read this if you have the problems. But let's move on. So first you need to move to accounting, financial accounting, account receivable. Go to document entry and go to incoming payments. Incoming payments. Okay, double click on that. And let's see, the document date is today's date. Choose, and company code is US00. Amount account code in the back data now. In the back data over here, account for the back data. You can check for that, but it's 150, and the amount. For me, I just reviewed that. It's 1,500, but your guys, the amount is different. Make sure you found the amount from the sales order document. That's over here. Okay, that's yours. Should be $3,509. Okay. So the amount for me is 1,500, and go to account, open item selection. Account is for the DC bike, and you can search, or if you cannot remember. Let's do it again. So search term is 3 digits, and search term and look for DC bikes. And then what you need to do is click on process open item. Make sure all the information is entered correctly. Now you'll see something over here. You need to see not assigned to be 0. That's on the right bottom. Not assigned should be 0. Amount entered assigned 1500. Okay, if that's correct 0, then you could proceed to do the rest. But if it's not 0, so the amount you enter may be wrong, so you need to go back and enter this amount again to make sure this is the right amount, 0, not assigned. After that, what you need to do is, if everything looks good here, not assigned is 0, click on save. And then you can see document was posted. This number, copy this number, and you may need this. Maybe you need this, maybe not. Okay, you don't need this to put in a PDF. Anyway, so now let's review the order status. You have posted the amount to your account. Nope. Okay, should be yes. What's wrong? Okay, yeah. And then go to VA23 and go to environment and display document flow. Now everything, look at the accounting document. It says cleared. Document status clear, meaning that you received the payment. This is the end of the exercise. So you have successfully sold the product to your customer and shipped them and collected the payment and record that payment in your system. Okay. And the last one, you need to check all the inventory. Should be the same as the previous one. And if you check on the customer's balance, go back, go to the accounting, financial accounting, account receivable, account, display balances, and it's the same information. Click on execute, and you will see the debit is 1500 and credit is also 1500. Will be the same. So what is the balance for this bikes account? This is balance. There's nothing there, meaning it's 0. So in the end, you will see something like this. That will be the last thing you need to do in this exercise.